Welcome back to Imagine the Art Design. I have got a new prompt for you today, inspired by my Tibet-themed digital kit. It's bursting with vibrant mandalas, gold details, and Tibetan views. So if you love exploring colorful and meaningful themes, you're in the right place. Let's jump into today's journaling prompt: sacred peaks and mandalas. Picture yourself standing at the base of a majestic Tibetan mountain. You're surrounded by fluttering prayer flags, with their colors dancing in the wind. The golden sunlight catches on the edges of intricately designed temples. Close your eyes and just imagine that peace for a moment. How does that make you feel? Maybe the cool mountain breeze gives you a sense of calm, or the rhythmic flutter of prayer flags reminds you to let go of something weighing on your mind. Let's focus on that for a moment. Write down those first thoughts and emotions that pop up as you place yourself in this beautiful scene. If you're feeling a little stuck or if the imagery feels distant, don't worry. Think about the colors. When you see these bright mandalas and golden accents, what emotions come to mind? For some, the bright mandalas represent joy and energy. For others, they symbolize balance or harmony. Take a second and jot down which colors stand out to you the most. You don't need to have all the answers, by the way. Journaling is more about exploring your thoughts and ideas rather than finding a perfect conclusion. So let yourself play with the imagery. Imagine those colorful mandalas spinning in the wind, kind of like wheels in motion. If each turn released a thought, what would it be? Maybe a goal, a dream, or even a fear you're ready to let go of. Take this opportunity to really dig into what these symbols mean to you. If you're more of a visual person, try sketching or even doodling a simple mandala in your journal. It doesn't need to be perfect or super detailed. Just let your pen move and see what patterns emerge. You might discover something new about your mindset or emotions as you create. Or you could use my digital kit to print and cut out some mandala elements to add to your page. The process of arranging them can be just as meditative. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to interpret this prompt. This is your sacred space to explore your inner landscape, just like the peaks and valleys of those Tibetan mountains. Whether you journal with words, create an art page, or combine both, the key is to connect with what resonates most with you. Take your time with this prompt, no rush. And if you haven't already, make sure to check out the digital kit in my Etsy store. It's packed with these colorful mandalas, scenic views, and everything you need to bring this theme to life in your journal or paper crafts. You can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed today's journaling prompt, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more creative prompts, tutorials, and inspiration. Thanks for hanging out with me. Until next time, happy journaling!